Hi guys, Spencer and I are working on spelling homework called Look, Say, Cover, Write, Check. This is how I'd like you to do your spelling words. I wrote the words in the first column like I'd like a grown-up to do, and now we're looking at the words. Let's do the word have. Tell me what you notice about the word have.
There's an A. There's two vowels in there, A and V.
A and,
I mean A and E.
A and E are vowels, and there's a V in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
And what's the tall letter?
H.
So spell have for me.
H-A-V-E.
Excellent. Draw it on the line. Spell it on the line. Excellent. Now check and see if you have it correct. Check each letter.
Yeah.
Is it correct?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Spell it again for me. I'm going to cover it. You'll write it and you'll check it. Okay. Check each letter and see.
H-A-V-E.
Is that H-A-V-E?
No, it's H-A-E-V.
Okay, you have the right letters but mixed up. Put an X on it, right over it.
Mm.
And you have one more try to see if you can get it right again. Okay. Now, let's look at it first. What are you going to remember?
H-A-V-E.
Are you going to remember that the V is right in the middle of the vowels? Okay, go ahead and try it. Check and see.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. If the kids do this paper every day for about a week, they should be really good at their spelling words. I will put the file in Blooms. If you have a printer, you can use it. But if you don't have a printer, you can do this on plain paper as well. Just make some columns. That's all.